Alright, so in this video we're going to download and install the latest version of LabVIEW. So let's type in LabVIEW. Let's see what Google shows us. Today's October 21st, 2025, and the latest version is 2025 Q3. Very good. So now you could download the community edition, but I'm going to do the base full professional version. 64-bit, driver software included. Now it says login to download. So let me log in. Okay, so I'm logged in and there's two options. You see here, install offline. Clicking on it will not install it, so let's just click on it. So let's see, look, Q3 patch 1, patch 2. All right, this is pretty cool. 30 gigabytes total. That's fine. I'm just going to click download and let's see what happens. It's going to download a small bootstrapper, and then once it loads, I'm going to click run. All right, administrative privileges. Let's minimize this. So I hear that the latest version of the LabVIEW installers, a couple of years now, they use VI or NI package manager under the hood. So it's a pretty cool interface. But we have LabVIEW. I don't know if this is web development, not really. Okay, so we want FPGA module. We want the compile farm toolkit. We want, let's see, I don't see anything else. JKI VI package manager is great for getting third-party tools. I also want to install the compilation tool. Oh, this is it. So you see, 2025 Q1 includes Vivado 2020 1.1. I hear that the next version is going to have a later version, or it's coming soon. So now it's going to download, I think, every single possible package. It calculated like a list, so you could scroll down here and just see what's being installed. Command line interface, I played around with that years ago, so all right. Let's see what else. So I'm going to scroll slowly so you can pause the video and, frame by frame to see everything. So now NI Nagel AI is supposed to be the co-pilot for LabVIEW. We're going to check it out in another video. So we'll keep scrolling. Visual Studio, .NET, very nice. A bunch of drivers and utilities. I have no idea what all these are for. I wish NI would make things a little bit simpler or maybe categorize them. But I'm going to leave everything at the default settings now. Oh, it said Visa samples. That's good. Excel, remote execution, real-time system image for Linux. All right. gRPC. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, next. Now I'm going to click agree a couple of times, or maybe just once. Let's see. I'm not going to disable Windows Fast Startup. You don't have to if you're not planning on connecting hardware to this actual machine, and I don't plan on doing that. All right, another list. It should match what we saw before, so I'm not going to scroll really slow. Next. Come on, next. All right, initializing transaction. Okay, this looks like we're good, so I'm going to pause the video so you don't have to see all this. All right, it took about 2 hours, but remember, this depends on your machine, your internet connection, and all that. So it's giving me a warning right now saying, do you want to participate in NI error reporting? Okay, sure. Now it's going to be finishing up. Let's see how long this takes. Customer Experience Improvement Program. All right, why not? Click OK. And now it's saying to get activated. Okay, you can forget about these LabVIEW 2020 items. You're concerned about the 2025 items. And we could just say extend trial. And it should be, let's see, either 10 days or 45 days. I think what happens is you get 45 days for basic LabVIEW, and then some add-ons are shorter, like 10 days. I mean, they should make more stuff accessible to the community. That way, more people will use LabVIEW. So 45 days, all right, it's a good start. Community edition, however, is totally free, but I believe you cannot access any hardware. So with Xilinx Vivado, you can only target the hardware that you buy. So in other words, let's say I get LabVIEW Community, and then I buy a specific board. This board costs $6,000. They should let me program it. That's what I think. Anyway, Thanks for watching. I'll reboot and maybe I'll start it up in another video. Bye.